park in the middle, kind of Universal. Transformers is there. NBC, the stage, rockets are there. It's just a nice little sitting area in the middle of the park. Shrek's over there. Don't recommend Shrek. It's a classic 4D movie and it's not really worth it. There, it's not a type of show. What do you think it is? Oh, the Blues Brothers.
You guys ready to party? So raise one hand. I saw the list where I'm going to party with Jake and Elwood and the rest of the gang. Get your foot off the ground, get your hand in the air. Get your foot moving, get it moving. Here we go. I'm a soul man. Let's dance. Oh yeah. You're a soul man. I kind of stupid. I'm a soul man. They're dancing everywhere.
We're going to mention my mom just like super dark, but I'm doing the best I can. Oh, there's this little thing. It's like a commercial. No, it's probably a commercial, Mom.
Here we go.
It's like those kind of like
Cookies restaurant.
those were random. Those were random people, and they're like all like TV attractive. They're like
These little characters from SpongeBob. Oh yeah, I remember that guy. I realize there's scenes of the movies. That's like right?
Yep.
There's American graffiti like on the side of the wall. We're walking inside the Hard Rock Cafe and the Chocolate Emporium on our way to Islands of Adventure. Love palm trees. There's Hard Rock.
Laffy.
American Idol.
Remember he's on Scooby-Doo?
Clay Aiken. He was my favorite.
This is insane.
Are we going back to Fox Meat tonight?
Wow.
Lemon blueberry.
Wow.
It's really good.
Gosh, that's
Okay.
wonderful.
What did we get?
That's mine. This is. Let's get the light.
Which one's which? What's this one?
That's my double. That's my
Chocolate overload,
Yep.
strawberry cheesecake, caramel apple, almond crunch,
I don't mind caramel.
This was his favorite.
yeah.
Almond toffee crunch. Toffee. in
cafe
this one.
caramel,
He got that one
and
for you.
tiramisu.
Tiramisu or toffee?
Verdict, which ones did we like? Strawberry cheesecake was good, I said.
So good.
How was yours?
Chocolate is good.
Chocolate, okay. Almond was good. Ian? Cafe, good.
I took a panorama and the guy has 3 legs.
That's not what I asked, but okay.
Yeah.
Is the cafe one good?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Okay.
It was real caramel.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought
Caramel apple's not good. It didn't work. Mom agreed. Right, Mom? Caramel apple didn't really work? No, didn't quite work. It was a little bit of disappointment. But strawberry cheesecake was apparently very good. So,
Thank you.
do you want a special type of, where is it? There you go. If you want a special kind of chocolate, go with strawberry cheesecake. We're gonna eat at the Chocolate Emporium, which is what I showed earlier. For my birthday.
Yes.
I haven't mentioned that yet, but it's my 21st birthday, so yay.
Happy birthday.
We're seated. It was an hour wait, but it's worth it. This is so good. I have like the whole chocolate thing. It's the inside. Oh, this is fun.
Use your flashlight.
Ooh. Vegetable gardenelli,
And
berries and cream, grapes. Ooh. We had a lovely meal at the Chocolate Emporium. Our server was Michael, and I didn't film it, but for my birthday he brought me a little scoop of. You're in the vlog, Hannah. He brought me a little scoop of ice cream with a candle on it. It was really cute. It's cute. And Penelope, and I wish I would have filmed it, but Penelope is like the owner. It's like a character type of thing. And she like came over to our table and like was like in a British accent, like had this whole character like queen thing going on. It was really cool. But I would definitely highly recommend. Food, I mean, was fine. It wasn't like out of this world amazing, but
I have something to say. If you go there, get the Nutella and banana crepes.
yeah, apparently those were really good.
So good.
If you like sweet things, all right?
Yeah.
Because I mean,
Very sweet.
yeah. But yeah, it was very, very good. I think the whole experience was just very good, so I would recommend. Hollywood Boulevard, and I already filmed it, but they have the stars. I didn't even notice that last time. Carol Burnett. Like they have the whole Walk of Fame here. I didn't even know if they had that. People walking. Olivia Newton-John.
Have you ever seen him?
It's like this whole thing. Keeps going. I didn't film this last time either, but outside of Mal's, they have all these old cars. Like a 50s, like, oh, I just love it. I just love 50s diners so much.